All right, you seen me cooking the yucca and the cactus. This is the eggs. I'm making me some scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. Look how dark that yolk is. That's when you know you got. That's when you know you got eggs that haven't been bought in the store. These eggs are from my neighbor, free range. They range in the same pasture that I picked up the yucca plant and the cactus. Man, only bad thing about cooking outside is bugs flying your food. Oh well. I don't cook with oil ever. I don't eat any kind of cooked oil. So I've 6 or 7 really large eggs, because at least one will be left in the skillet if you be stuck to it. So anyway, this is the rocket stove. Take a look at my other video and you'll see me cook the yucca. Now I'm cooking the eggs. Anyway, my next video will be my plate of food. We'll see you on the next one.